we are going to see how to solve this question. Here we have been given 6 multiplied by 7 minus 3 divided by 27 plus 9. So we are going to use this rule. According to this rule, we have to solve this thing first, that is 3 divided by 27. 3 divided by 27, this is equal to 1 by 9. So we can write this as 6 multiplied by 7 minus 1 over 9 plus 9. Now we are going to solve the multiplication. This is 42 minus 1 over 9 plus 9. Now we are going to solve this simultaneously. There is no need to worry about A and S too much. So we can take the LCM 9. This will be 378 minus 1 plus 81. Okay. When we will solve this, this is going to come out as 458 over 9. Yeah, 458 over 9. Or for further solving, you can get it at 50.89 approx. Or if you divide it, it will be like this, 458.888 something. It will continue. So we rounded off it as 9. So here is your answer.